Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Through the years, I've had some pretty unique questions and how to help, how to do something. And I think this one might take the cake. So this gentleman, I've drawn this for him, and then we actually changed plans and actually used a real gear. But if we rotate this thing 10 degrees, and then Control R, no, I did bad. I should have gone, I went 10, I should have gone 240. So I'm going to change this to 240 degrees. And then Control R, so it won't make a copy. It is just, he's trying to make a little snippet video. And I really need to try to get rid of the bounding boxes for the video. I might make a part 2. So that one is rotating off here. This one is rotating off the center. So I'm going to just Control R. Control R is just repeat last. So we did that, but then I guess he didn't think about using a real gear. These are called internal gears that I took one off the internet and copied it, and it looks pretty sweet doing the same thing. This one is off that edge, so I'm going to go 120 degrees. Control R, and look at that. And then this one is off the center, and I'm going to go 10 degrees. And look at this. I mean, if you drew, I need to put a hole in the center of that. Let's just do that real quick. Let's, got to break it apart. Go up to Object Group and Ungroup. Take that one and left click, and let's put a hole in the center. It should snap right to the center. There we go. Fill that in with, I like that red. And if you have no interest in doing this, you can stop watching, but it's pretty cool. Now group them together. And then we're going to rotate this from the center and rotate it 10 degrees. And you could change that to 5 and then Control R. So if I figure out how to get rid of the bounding box, which are those curved lines in the center dot, I think it'll be a lot better for his video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.